Easily transfer files and data between two computers by using this cable to connect and create a peer-to-peer network. Snagless design protects clips when plugging and unplugging. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Available in 4 colors to color code a network. Available in lengths up to 25 feet. This Cat6 network crossover patch cable is an ideal solution for connecting two computers to share files or data. The cross-pin configuration allows two computers to be connected peer-to-peer without the need for a hub or switch. This cable may also be used to connect network switches and hubs without an uplink port to other switches and hubs. Each cable is fully tested, quality inspected, and meets all TIA/EIA Cat6 standards. This cable has been designed to reduce both impedance and structural return loss, SRL, which ensures error-free transmission. Constructed from high-quality cable and a shortened body plug, this design minimizes near and crosstalk (NEXT) levels. Top reviews from the United States. Works where required. It's been a long time since I ran into the need for a crossover patch cable, but the apartment complex where we had cable installed in their phone room didn't work when we sent the signal through their punch-down panel. Plugged in this cable and we're in business.